Once again, welcome guys. So we are here today with exercise 7.2, and this exercise we will know the type of factorization that will be based on the use of identities, using of identities. आइडेंटिटीज कौन कौन सी रहेंगी उसका मैं थोड़ा सा जिक्र कर देता हूं यहाँ पे। सबसे पहले तो आइडेंटिटी जो आएगी इसमें वो आपकी होती है बेसिकली a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर। सेकेंड ए स्क्वायर ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, सो ए माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the third one will be a square minus b square a minus b a plus b. So these are the basically three identities, and with the help of these three identities we are going to find out the answer of today's question of exercise 7.2. So first question is that 9a square minus 16b square. So 9a square minus 16b square, is it of any format whatever is given here? Yes, it's third one. ये देखिए इस फॉर्मेट का है। ये कैसे है अभी ऐसे दिख नहीं रहा है, बट वी कैन चेंज इट, वी कैन मेक इट। हाउ? 9a square you can write it as 3a whole square. 9 to 9 you can write as 3, means 3 into 3, that will be 9. And this 16 you can write 4 into 4, 4 into 4 means 4 square. So it means this 16b square we can write it as 4b square. So right now this one is as it is, means this one is same as a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So let's write here for these identities you just write 2-3 times, then you will be habitual of this, so that we know that what we are knowing, a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. If you are not convenient with this, then you can write it as also that a plus b and a minus b. So no need to worry about whether a plus b is first of all or this a minus b. So we can write with the help of this one here. This one you will consider as a, and this one you have to consider as b. So a square minus b square, what will come? Our answer will be a plus b. So a is what? 3a plus b. B is what? 4b. Next a minus b. A is what? 3a minus b is what? 4b. This is our answer. 3a plus 4b in the first bracket, in the very next bracket 3a minus 4b. This will be our answer for the question number 1. So now we are going to move towards question number 2, and this question number 2 is that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. So what we have to do, we can do one thing, that means it's identity. Directly identity is given here. So this identity is a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So what we can do, we will open this one. We will open this identity whatever is given here. So that means a plus, instead of this a plus b whole square we can write this one, that will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, and this one is a minus b whole square. So we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now what we have to do, we will open the bracket, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now when we open this bracket, so as you know, that means when we multiply this minus, here no sign is, it means it's plus. So minus plus minus a square minus minus plus 2ab, and this minus and this plus will be again minus b square. So a square plus a square minus cut, b square plus b square minus cancel. Finally we got the answer 4ab. So this is our answer regarding question number 2. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव टुवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अनदर क्वेश्चन। अभी कितने लोग अच्छा इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? अगर आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो पॉज करो, नोट करो, सॉल्व करो, चेक करो अपना आंसर फटाफट। नहीं आ रहा है? 1 2 3 ओके। 9x square minus 1 by 144. How you can write this one? This one is little bit like this, but right now we cannot say. So what we have to do? We have to modify it. We have to modify it. How we can modify 9x square? It is like this one, 9a square. So this, it means this 9x square we can write as 3x whole square. 3x whole square. Now this 144. So 144 is the square of 144 is the square of which number? If you are knowing, then it's okay, and if you are not knowing, then let's have a look here. So that means, suppose I am knowing directly, I can write here 12. But suppose if you are not knowing, that means how this 12 come? So with the help of square root, you can find out this one, like this. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 1 ja 3. 1, when 1 is here, it means game over. So since it's square root, so we will make the pair of 2 2 like this. So this one is 2 2 and 3. So when we multiply this 2 2 and 3, 2 into 2 into 3, what we will get? 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. So in such a way we got 12 here. Okay, so that means we can write instead of this 144 like 1 by 12 whole square. So now it's the form of a square minus b square. So instead of a, what is here? 3x, and instead of b, 1 by 12 is here. So we know the formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So we can write here for this one 3x plus b, 3x a के place पे क्या है? 3x plus b, that is what? 1 by 12. 3x plus 1 by 12. Next one is 3x minus 1 by 12. So this is our final answer. So guys, next question number 4, that is 3x raised to 5 minus 243x. 3x raised to 5 minus 243x. If you can do the same, please you just note down in your notebook and try to find out the answer. 1 2 3. Okay, so let's have a look here. 3x raised to 5 and 243x. What we can do about this question? We will do one thing, very simple thing is there, that our identities are in the form of square only. Here this power is odd number, that is 5. So what we can do about this? We can do one thing, that means we will find out some common. Whatever we can remove outside from this kind of algebraic expression, we will do the same job. So हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? 3x, पहले तो x ये देखिए कॉमन निकल जाएगा, और अगर if it is possible then we will find out 3 also, means we'll remove this 3 also outside. So that means 3x we are taking as common here, and afterwards this 3 is outside, x raised to 5, 1x is outside, so what is here? X raised to 4 minus this 243. From this 243 can we take 3 as common? Yes, obviously we can take. So we will take, then how much will remain here? If you are not knowing, so you can do like this, 243 you have to divide by 3. You just see here 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. It means 81 will remain here. 81, and this x is outside. Now your question is little bit okay. So again we have to go for the further operation, and what we will do here, 3x into, this is x raised to 4, this is x raised to 4, but our question is as a square. All the identities are a square, and here in this particular case our identity number 3 will work out. This is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So this identity will work out here. So what we have to do, we have to make this one as a square. So what we can do, we can write it is in such a way. x square whole square, 2 2s are 4, it means x raised to 4. Now this, what about this 81? This 81 also we have to write in the form of square. So which kind of square, what kind of square? So this will be the square of 9, like this. Somehow you can, if you want to write in such a way, you know, in this way, then you can write it as 3 square, like this. You just see here 81, you can write either 9 square or you can write it as also 3 square whole square, like that, you know. So the answer will be same, don't worry about the same. So now this one, instead of a, what is here? X square. Instead of b, what is here? 9. So what will be the answer? We can write it as here, that first one is a minus b and a plus b. So suppose I am writing a minus b, then x square. A means a is what? X square, no? Minus b. B is what? 9. X square minus 9. In the next bracket, a plus b. So x square plus 9. This will be our final answer. This one is our final answer. Suppose if you want to go for the further answer, I mean further expansion, then you can write it as like this, you know, 3x into x square minus 9. This x square minus 9, again you can write it as x square minus 3x square. So this x square minus 3 square, that is 9. You can write it as x plus 3 and x minus 3, like this. So the final answer you can write like this also, that x plus 3 instead of this x square minus 9 and x minus 3, and this x square plus 9 will remain as same. So this one is also your answer, this one is also your answer. That question number 5. 16 x plus y whole square minus 25 into x minus 3 whole square. So this part is already given as square. This part, I mean x plus y, already given as in the form of square, and this here x minus 3 is also given in the form of square. The problem is with 16 and 25. What we can do with them? How we have to deal with them? Let's have a look here. If you are knowing, please try to find out the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's have a look here. 16x plus y whole square. So it means you can write it as 4 into x plus y this much whole square. This 16 you can write as 4. So 4 into x plus y whole square minus this is 25. This 25 you can write as this is the square of 5. 5 का स्क्वायर है, and this x minus 3y, and again you will put here whole square. So now this whole part, I mean this particular question is matching with the identity number 3. 3 से match कर रहा है. So it means what? You can say that this part is A and this whole part is B. ये इतना a है, ये b है. फॉर्मूला पता है, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a माइनस बी इंटू a प्लस बी. सो व्हाट यू कैन राइट हियर, दैट मीन्स इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस वन, so you will write here first of all a minus b. So it means what you will write, 4 into x plus y minus b. B is what? Just see here, 5 into x minus 3y. This is a minus b. Now a plus b. So for a plus b, I am writing here it again, otherwise space will be less, you know. थोड़ा इधर से लिख देता हूँ मैं. So this one will be as 4 into x plus y minus 5 into x minus 3y, like this. And in very next bracket a plus b. So the same thing will be there, just only instead of this minus there will be plus. So that means 4 into x plus y plus, instead of this minus, plus will be there, 5 into x minus 3y, like this. So what we have to, now we have to expand it, we have to open the brackets, you know, to simplify it. So what kind of answer we are going to get here? We will open this bracket, so it will be what? 4x plus 4y minus 5 into x. The answer will be minus 5x minus plus 5 3s are 15y like this. I mean in the first bracket this one will come, and in the very next bracket this one again 4x plus 4y plus 5x minus 15y. Again we will reduce it, we will try to reduce it. So this one you just see here, all the like terms we will count together. What we will do here, that means we are going to add this one 4 minus 5. So 4 minus 5, that will be what? Minus x, and this 4 and this 15, that will be 19y. अगर 4 minus 5 minus 1x, राइट, कैसे आया देख लो यहाँ पे आप, 4 minus 5, अभी इसको माइनस करना है, तो 4 में से तो 5 माइनस होगा नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी हम करेंगे इसको। देखिए कैसे, 4 के आगे प्लस का साइन होता है, प्लस माइनस क्या होता है? माइनस, तो यानी माइनस करेंगे। 5 में से 4 माइनस करेंगे 1 आएगा, साइन बड़े नंबर का लगता है, 5 के आगे क्या है? माइनस, -1, यानी कि माइनस 1x। तो माइनस 1x लिखो या फिर x लिखो, बोथ आर सेम। नाउ हियर 4x plus 5x, 4x plus 5x, it will be 9x, and afterwards this 4y minus 15. So 4 minus 15 will be what? Minus 11y. 4 minus 15, again plus sign, plus minus minus, 15 minus 4, 11, and the sign will be of greater number, that is 15, and it's negative, so minus 11y. So this is your answer. If you want to rearrange your answer, you can write it as you. So this one is your final answer regarding question number 5. So now we are going to move towards the question number 6. This is x raised to 4 and 16 y raised to 4. If you can do, please you just note down in your notebook very fast. Try to find out the answer. 1, 2, 3. Let's have a look. X raised to 4, we can write it as x square whole square minus 4y square whole square. X raised to 4 we can write like this, and for 16 4, this y raised to 4 again y square. So it's also like this, I mean identity number 3. So we will use here again that is what? That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. You can change, alternate these brackets, a minus b or a plus b, no need to worry about the same. So now here instead of a, what is here? X square, instead of b 4y square. So a plus b, it means x square plus 4y square, and instead of b x square means for this bracket x square minus 4y square. This is your final answer. And if you want to go for the further operation, you just see here x square plus 4y square, you let it be like it this only, and this x square minus 4y square, again you can write it as x square minus 2y whole square. You can write this 4y square as 2y whole square. So you can write it as x square plus 4y square in the first bracket. In the very next bracket, now again it's the means this one is the form of this identity, a square minus b square. It means that a plus b, and in the very next bracket a minus b. So this one will be your fully final answer. So if you are writing this one, little bit means half marks will be cut, and here 0 marks मिलेंगे नहीं, कट होंगे. So next question number 7 is that is 16a square minus 25 by 9a square. If you can do, please don't waste your time, just only write down in your notebook and find out the answers and check out, tally it whether it is right or wrong. So let's have a look here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write the answer. 16a square again minus 25 by 9a square. This 16a square, कितनी बार अभी इतने सारे questions आपने कर लिए, so many questions you did. So I hope that means you got the idea. This 16a square we can write it as 4a square minus this 5, I mean this 25 we can write as 5 whole square, and 9a square, it means 3a, this one will be as whole square. So this one I am going to consider as a, and this part I am going to consider as b. This is the form of this a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can write here that means a plus b in the very first bracket, a plus b, a means what? 4a plus b is what? 5 by 3b. This one will be in the first bracket, in the next bracket will be a minus b, a is what 4a minus b, b means what 5 by 3a, here 3a. Okay, this is our answer regarding this particular question. So now we are going to move towards question number, oh, it's very interesting question because power 8 is there. It's a problem for us, but we have to tackle, don't worry. Problem nahi. Let's have a look. If you can do, please. If you can do, please, you just do it. Otherwise, I'll tell you. Okay, so let's 1, 2, 3 start. X raised to 8. This x raised to 8, it's all right, but here 1, what we can do about 1? 1 की तो पावर 1 है, तो क्या करें? तो करना क्या है? कुछ नहीं करना है. 1 की पावर कितनी भी आप लगा दो, यहां पे आप 2 लिख दो, 100 लिख दो, कितनी भी पावर कर लो, 1 को कितने भी टाइम यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई 1 so many times, the finally you will get only 1, just only with 1 only, not with any other number. So that means we can write 1 as in whatever form, in whatever power we want to put here, we can put here. So first of all, we'll think about this x raised to 8. We have to make it of the form like this. I mean we have to change it like third identity. इसकी तरह चेंज करना है हमें. तो क्या करना है? स्क्वायर बनाना है. सो दैट मीन्स वी कैन राइट हियर x raised to 4 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 is not means power is not here, so we can write as, यहां पे पावर नहीं है तो हम चूंकि ये b स्क्वायर है तो हम इसको 1 स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ऐसे. So this is a square minus b square. So now we can write it as like this with the help of this identity, I mean equation. That will be a plus b. So a is what? X raised to 4. B is what? 1. So that means it will be a plus b and a minus b. Is it our answer? Oh no man, it's not our answer. Other, if you are going to write the answer in such a way, definitely you are going to get the half marks or maybe 0. I can't say properly. Anyway, so that means what we can do again, we will go for the further expansion, not for this, for this one. X raised to 4 plus 1 will be as it is, this x raised to 4 minus 1. This one is, we can change it again as a square minus b square. So that means x square, this x raised to 4 we can write like this, and minus again this 1 as 1 square. So that means finally you will get here x raised to 4 plus 1 in the very first bracket, and from here a square minus b square. So a square is what? Means a square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. So a plus b and a minus b. Is it your answer? No man. Again we have to go for further expansion. Let's have a look here. X raised to 4. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे सर मैंने तो सोचा था 2 में आंसर आ जाएगा, 2 बार एक्सपेंशन किया. अरे तीसरी बार करो, जितना निकलता है फाइनली. वो जैसे कहते हैं ना घर में चाय निकालते हैं, अगर चाय थोड़ी कम पड़ जाती है तो छन्नी में डाल के चाय पत्ती भी दबा देते हैं. इसको स्क्वीज करो, कितना निकाल पाते हो निकालो. लेट हैव अ लुक हियर. सो दिस वन विल बी एज एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1, x square minus 1. It's again the form of a square minus b square. So we can write here, I can write here as x square minus 1 square like this. So finally we will get our answer x raised to 4 plus 1, x square plus 1. This is a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. This is our final answer. Is it okay? 100% okay. Okay, so now we are going to move towards question number 9, and question number 9 हमारा क्या है? 1 by 9 x square y square minus 1 by 16 y square z square. Can you do the same? If you can please note down and find out the answer. Very good. नोट में देखो भाई साहब, मेरी तरफ नहीं. Anyway, so I'm going to write the answer 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here what we can do. Is there something common here? Can you observe please? Yes, that is what? It's y square. Y square we can find out as common. So if we can find out y as common, so what we'll write here? y square. Inside, what will remain here? Just only x square. And here 1 by 16 z square. We can write this one like this. Achha. Next thing, this 1 into x square you can write it here like this, you know, x square, and this z square you can write here as z square. ये देखें, अब इनकी शक्ल इनसे थोड़ी सी मिल रही है. It's matching little bit. So let's have a look here. Y square will be outside. Inside, what you can do here, x by 9. 9 is the square of 3. It means x by 3 whole square minus z by 16. 16 is the square of 4. Z by 4 whole square. So now here I can write like this, y square into this x by 3 will be treated as a, and this z by 4 will be treated as b, ab. So what we will find out here, a square minus b square, and a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write here as a plus b यानी x by 3 plus z by 4, and in the next bracket a minus b, it means x by 3 minus z by 4. So this is our final answer. Okay guys, so next question is 9a square minus 4b square minus 3a minus 2b. इतनी देर से बड़ा इजी किए जा रहे थे ना. चेक इट आउट, चेक आउट योरसेल्फ मैन. 1 2 3, पॉज करो, नोट करो फटाफट. अब देखिए मैं बता रहा हूं इसको, 9a स्क्वायर माइनस 4b स्क्वायर माइनस 3 माइनस 2b कैसे कर पाएंगे इसको. हम करेंगे इसको, देखिए ये 9a स्क्वायर है, वी कैन राइट इट एज 3a होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4b स्क्वायर है यानी 2b होल स्क्वायर माइनस दिस 3a एंड माइनस 2b, लेट इट बी. अच्छा ये माइनस अगर मैं बाहर निकाल दूंगा कॉमन तो यहां पे क्या बचेगा, प्लस 2b. ये 3a प्लस 2b हो जाएगा. चलिए अभी ये देखिए इसको, यू जस्ट लेट इट बी एज इट इज. यहां पे इसको देखिए, ये a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर है, this one is a and this one is as b, so that means a plus b. So that means you will get the answer 3a plus 2b, 3a plus 2b and 3a minus 2b, and this one will be here also again 3a plus 2b, like this. So now you can see here, you know, that one thing we are getting common here. You just see 3a plus 2b and 3a plus 2b. So we can find out common it as here 3a plus 2b, and again now we will get here this 3a minus 2b, and this one will be minus 1s. So we can write it as 3a plus 2b in the next bracket 3a minus 2b, and this one will be minus 1 also. So this one is the final answer regarding question number 10. कैसा लगा क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट आगे देखिए और धूम धड़ाका. नोट डाउन, पॉज करो, नोट करो फटाफट, आंसर फाइंड आउट करो. 1 2 3, लेट हैव अ लुक. So what we can do here, we will open the bracket first of all like this, a square a into a square plus a into c ac minus b into b b square and minus b plus c, it means minus bc. What we have to do, we are observing here one relation, and that relation is, किस रिलेशन की बात कर रहा हूं ध्यान से देखना, that we can write it as a square minus b square and this plus ac and minus bc, like this. This is what, a square minus b square, let it be, and this part let it be like it. So what we can write from here, if suppose if this one is a square minus b square, we can write as a plus b and a minus b, and from here you can see that c is common in both, c is in both the terms. So we can take common as c and we will get a minus b again here. So you just see here a minus b, a minus b. So here it will be a minus b, and here this one will remain as, that means a plus b and this plus c. This is our final answer regarding question number 11. So now this last question of this exercise, that is evaluate this one with the help of third identity a square minus b square. We know the formula. चलिए लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, लिख देते हैं. We know that, क्या जानते हैं, a स्क्वायर. ये फॉर्मूले आप बार बार लिखते रहो, आपको लर्न भी हो जाएगा, ठीक है. a plus b and a minus b. So instead of a is what, 205, and instead of b 195. So what we will find the answer, that will be a plus b 205 plus 195, in the next bracket a minus b 205 minus 195. 205 plus 195, how much will be there? It will be 400. दोनों को प्लस करेंगे तो 400 आएगा. ओके, अब ये देखिए 205 माइनस 95, हाउ मच आंसर विल बी देयर? 10. इट मीन्स फाइनली यू विल गेट योर आंसर 4000. This is the final answer regarding question number 12. So I hope you got the answer and you are getting the content in a very easy way. So please, if you are getting the content in very easy way, if you are liking the ideas and the explanation, so please like the video and subscribe the channel for further videos. So मिलते हैं फिर next video में, तब तक के लिए take care, bye bye.